Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide photos and videos on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the Albums app on your smartphone. Now from here, just select the photos and videos you want to hide. Just like that. Now, once you select the photos and videos you want to hide, just tap on More. From here, just tap on Hide. Now, just tap on Hide. Now, as you can see, we have successfully hidden the photos and videos from our gallery app. Now, to view the photos and videos which we have hidden, just go back and tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner on the display. From here, just scroll down and tap on hidden photos. Now from here, as you can see, these are the photos and videos we have hidden. And this is how you can hide photos and videos on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.